Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are diving deep into a game-changing modification for your Android device that is going to completely revolutionize your connectivity and performance. If you have been struggling with high ping during intense gaming sessions, sluggish download speeds, or a Wi-Fi connection that feels completely unstable, you are in the exact right place. We are exploring the Network Enhancer Magisk Module, a powerful, all-in-one system tweak designed to push your device's hardware and network capabilities to their absolute limits. Whether you're a hardcore mobile gamer or just someone who wants a faster, more responsive phone, this video is for you. To get started, let us take a look at the File Manager, where we have the Network Enhancer Magisk Module zip file ready to go. You'll want to make sure you have downloaded the correct, authentic zip package onto your device's internal storage. Keep it in a folder that's easy to find, like your Downloads directory. This compact zip file contains all the advanced kernel scripts, dynamic optimization protocols, and the custom WebUI configuration files that we will be flashing into your system. It's a highly optimized package that doesn't take up much space but packs an incredible punch once it's integrated into your device's architecture. Now, let's open up the Magisk Manager application to begin the flashing process. Head over to the Modules tab at the bottom right, tap on the Install from Storage option at the top, and navigate to the folder where you saved the Network Enhancer zip file. Select the zip file, and Magisk will immediately begin flashing the scripts into your system. You'll see the flashing log populate on your screen, indicating that the advanced network tweaks, TCP optimizations, and kernel parameters are being seamlessly injected into your device. Wait for it to show the success message at the bottom. Once the flashing process is successfully completed, you'll see the Reboot button appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap that Reboot button now. Restarting your device is an absolute necessity here because it allows the newly flashed kernel tweaks and system-level configurations to properly bind to your Android subsystem during the boot cycle, ensuring everything initializes perfectly. Now that the device has booted back up, let us open Magisk Manager once again and head straight over to the Modules section to verify everything. As you can see right here, the Network Enhancer module is actively running, enabled, and properly recognized by the system. This confirms that all the underlying scripts are armed and ready to optimize your device's performance. Because we're running this on Magisk, we need to open the KSUWeb application to access the module's dedicated WebUI. If you were using kernelsu, this WebUI would be integrated natively, but for Magisk users, the KSUWeb app is the perfect bridge. Opening it up gives us a stunning, user-friendly interface to control and monitor the module. Right at the top, you can switch between dedicated gaming, balanced, and download profiles depending on what you need at the moment. Under the hood, this module activates adaptive RAM scaling to ensure your system memory is always optimized, alongside dynamic TCP optimization, which completely overhauls how data packets are handled. It injects advanced kernel and network tweaks that deeply improve Wi-Fi handling, keeping your wireless connection rock solid. Best of all, it features hot reload support, meaning any changes you make in this WebUI apply instantly without needing another reboot. This results in incredibly improved latency, zero packet loss, and unmatched connection stability across the board. That wraps up our complete look at the incredible Network Enhancer module. If you want to elevate your gaming experience and supercharge your device's internet speeds, this is a must-have tool in your modification arsenal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and I will see you in the next video.